We all want to be able to protect what's important to us. But it's not always easy. And sometimes it's downright dangerous. That is until now. The gun box is the ideal way to defend responsibly. The gun box keeps your handgun safe while allowing you quick, convenient access when you need it most. The gun box is built tough. It's die cast using aircraft-strength aluminum alloy with a tensile strength of over 24,000 psi and a melting temperature of over 1,000 degrees. The gun box opens using your RF signature, your biometric signature, or if you want, a combination of both. You can charge your phones, tablets, and other devices using the 2 USB ports on the back. Beneath the Premier model's tough aluminum exterior, you'll find other innovative features, like the Gunbox Auto Alert System, which will send notifications directly to your phone in the event that your gun box is tampered with. And if your gun box is stolen, you can track it in real time with the equipped GPS technology. Safe storage, quick access, and all the fancy tech you would expect from James Bond himself. The gun box. Defend responsibly.